Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can trigger crossbreeding for the gardening crossbreed task in Heartopia. Basically, you're going to plant the same like color of flowers next to each other, and you're just going to consistently water them. Well, not consistently, but like constantly. Sorry, I'm like mixing up words. But you're going to constantly water your plants. It does help if your friends water them as well. So I will be right back once this has matured, and once it has crossbred, I will show you guys what it looks like as well. Okay, so I tried showing you guys when it was done crossbreeding, but I just couldn't show it to you guys because Blanc called and then the icon like disappeared. So basically there should be like a seedling icon on top of your flowers. Just water them every single day and be patient. Do not harvest it yet. So to water them, I just like watered it like 3 in a row, like by pressing F here. So all this gets watered. I think in another day, it's going to like pop up on these 4, but it only popped up on one, which is this one, which is weird because I didn't really water it, but it took like 3 days, I think, for it to show up. Here, I'll show a picture on what it looks like. This is what it's going to look like when it's done crossbreeding. So just water them and be patient. Honestly, it took me so long. Next, the task says place a small flower bed in your home. Go to your inventory. You should get this once you're done with the crossbreeding. And I'm just going to place it in my house somewhere. I don't know like why it won't turn. Like it's my mouse is like not mousing, I guess. I'm just going to place it here. Press check and says arrange flowers. I'm just going to add in a flower here. Let's add a white daisy. I don't know like why it's okay. Hold a red daisy or white daisy, scatter petals into the air or toward a friend. Oh, we can actually add more, sorry. You're supposed to do that. My bad. And then, okay, hold a red daisy. Do I have to like harvest it again? Let me actually get one from the back here. There we go. And then you're just going to go to your inventory and you're going to get it and hold it. And you can scatter it into the air or toward a friend. I'm just going to do it towards the air because my friend isn't here right now. So just press F. And there you go. That is how you can complete those tasks. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!